Welcome back, students. Today we will discuss, you are going to learn the new topic from Mathematics Part 2 textbook, that is chapter number 11, Area and Boundary. In Part 1, chapter number 3, we have learned about how many square, and in this chapter we learn about area and also about the perimeter of the any shape. So today we are going to learn about area and boundary, that is perimeter of any shape in another form or in the higher form. So first we will discuss about the area. So area, the amount of surface occupied by a closed figure is called as area. So you can see here two figures are given, A, B, C, D and P, Q, R, S. So you can see here the space in between the boundary, that is the amount of surface. You can see here this is the surface the occupied by a closed figure in the both, that is called as area. So area is measured in square units and unit of length may be centimeter, meter and kilometer. For example, if the length is measured in centimeter for a very small object, so the area, unit of area will be centimeter into centimeter, that is a square centimeter, or you can also write centimeter square. If the length, unit of length is meter, or if you use the meter, then meter into meter is equal to square meter, or it is also written as meter square. Then if the length, that is the distance between two cities or the field is measured, it is in kilometer. So kilometer into kilometer is equal to square kilometer or kilometer square. So this is called the unit of area. So now we will discuss about to find area of closed figure. You can see here the two closed figure are given. That is one is a square and another is a rectangle. So first method is counting square method. You can see here A, B, C, D in this figure. This figure is divided into equal square. There is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this area of this figure will be 9 square. What is the area of this ABCD? That is a 9 square. Suppose if you want to find the area of this figure, the rectangle, you can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it is a 15 square. So this method you have already know, or we have discussed in the chapter number 3, that is how many square, that is a counting square method to find the area of any figure. Then by using formula, this method also we have used, but we have used or we have discussed this method with the help of figure, that is a rectangle or triangle. Here we will use it by using the formula. You can see here the area of rectangle is equal to, that means the formula for area of rectangle is length into breadth. You can see a length into breadth, or it is also written as L into B. So area of rectangle is equal to L into B. Then area of square. Square means, you can see the square, all sides are equal, and in rectangle opposite sides are equal. That means in rectangle there is a length and breadth, and in square all sides are equal. So area of square is equal to side into side. That means it is also can be written as side square. So you have known, get the idea about area of rectangle or area of square. Now here one problem is given, one example given to find the area of rectangle with length 20 centimeter and breadth 10 centimeter. So first what you have to do, you have to write what is given. Here length is given and breadth is given. So you have to write length is equal to, what is the length? 20 centimeter, and breadth is equal to 10 centimeter. So now then you have to write the formula. What is the formula? Area of rectangle is equal to L into B is equal to, what is L? So you have written here 20 centimeter into 10 centimeter is equal to, you can multiply this 10, 20 into 10, 10, 0, 10 to the
square.
20. So it is a 200 square centimeter, or you can write it is a, instead of centimeter, square. So this is a method you have to follow while finding the area of rectangle. So one more example is there. What will be the area of square with side 12 meter? So first thing you have to do, you have to write what is given. Here side are given. So side is equal to 12 mm. Then you have to write the formula. So what is the formula for square? So area of square is equal to side into side. That means what is the side? 12 meter into 12 meter is equal to, you have to multiply this 12 into 12, 12, 24, 4, 2, 12 into 1, 12, that is a plus 2, that is a 14. So it is a 144 square meter, or it can be written as 144 meter square. So here we can see the unit of length is centimeter. Here the unit of length is meter. So it depends on what is the unit of length. So this is about finding area of rectangle and square using formula. So you have to learn here the formula, and you have to also know the method how to find out the area of rectangle and square using the formula method. So now we will discuss about the boundary. So what is boundary? Outer edge of the closed figure is called as boundary. You can see here the three figures are given. This is the A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S, and S, T, U. And you can see here from A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A. So these are the edges of this figure. You can say P. So whatever you can see mark with the ruler, these are the edges of the closed figure. This is a rectangle, square, and triangle. So that is called as a boundary. And the total length of the boundary, you can see here how many sides are there? 4 sides. Here 4, here 3. Total length of the boundary of closed figure is called as the perimeter. That also we have discussed, learned in chapter number 3, how many square. So here perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. In the previous lesson we discussed that perimeter is equal to side plus side plus side plus side. Here what you write? Area of perimeter is equal to 4 into side. Why it is 4 into side? Because each square has 4 sides and all are equal. That means 4 into side. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into bracket L plus B. That means length and breadth, because opposite sides are equal. That is 2 into bracket L plus B. So let's take one example. Now find the perimeter of this is a rectangle with length 15 meter and breadth 6 meter. So what is the, you have to find first, write the formula. So perimeter of rectangle, you can also write a symbol, is equal to 2L plus B is equal to 2. What is L? L is 15 meter plus breadth is 6 meter. So what is the total? 2 into bracket is a 21. So now we have to multiply this 21 into 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 to the 4. It is equal to 42 meter is the perimeter of the given rectangle. So with this you can also find the perimeter of square, perimeter of rectangle with the given measurements. Here you learn about to find the perimeter and also the area with the given length. In the previous third chapter you learn how to find the perimeter and area with the figure. Here figures are not given, direct the length and breadth or whatever the length is given in the example. You have to find out what is given and you have to find out what is asked, that is the perimeter or area. So with this I conclude the today's topic, that is area and boundary. Thank you.